Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Surbhi and today I'm going to review the famous book The Housemaid and The Housemaid Secrets by Frida McFadden. So let's get started. So the first book in the series is The Housemaid by Frida McFadden and we all know that फ्रीडा मैकफेडन जो है वो अपने हर बुक में ऐसे ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स ऐसे प्लॉट ट्विस्ट लाती हैं कि बस आप पढ़ते रह जाते हो. यू वोंट बी एबल टू सिट बैक एंड रिलैक्स. यू आर जस्ट ऑन द एज ऑफ द सीट रीडिंग द नेक्स्ट पेज. She is like that. I love her writing and this book has no exception. So in this book the protagonist Millie, she is searching for a job and she is indeed dreading for a job and she is not getting any job because of her past criminal record. And उसने अपना एक इंटरव्यू दिया है विंचेस्टर हाउस में फॉर मेड, but she was not getting any response from there, so she was so disheartened. At that moment she received a call from Nina Winchester. तो नीना विंचेस्टर जो है वो बहुत ही स्वीट, अमेजिंग और बहुत ऐसी ओनर सबको चाहिए वाली वाइब देती है एट द स्टार्टिंग, एट द बिगनिंग ऑफ द स्टोरी. एंड मिली वॉज क्वाइट इम्प्रेस्ड बाय हर एंड शी ओनली वेयर्स वाइट एंड हर डॉटर, नीनाज डॉटर, वेयर a dress, princess kind of dress, which is kind of eerie and itchy kind of. When you watch her, you will feel very itchy in your body. So it's like that. So मिली को लगता है ये ऐसे कपड़े क्यों अपनी बेटी को पहनाती है. एंड मिली वॉज लाइक वाई शी ऑलवेज वेयर वाइट क्लोथ्स. बट शी वॉज हैप्पी विद द जॉब एंड शी वॉज गेटिंग good amount of money for that, so she was quite happy with that. She was staying in the attic of the house where there was no lock from the inside, of course, but from outside she can lock the door, but from the inside there is no door lock and it is quite a small space and she was not feeling good about that. But Nina was so adamant that you have to stay there only. It was making her feel uncomfortable. फिर उसके बाद मिली मिस्टर विंचेस्टर से मिलती है जो कि परफेक्ट हस्बैंड का वाइब देता है एंड ही वॉज टू गुड टू बी ट्रू हस्बैंड. वो बहुत हैंडसम है, बहुत रिच है, बिजनेसमैन है और वो बहुत ही परफेक्ट है. But as she spends more time at Winchester House, the behavior of Nina keeps on changing. Sometimes she says things which is very sweet and very amazing, but at the other time she was shouting at Millie for the things she had told Millie to do. So Millie was not able to understand the behavior and mentality of Nina. और ये गॉसिप है नीना के बारे में पूरे सोसाइटी में दैट नीना जो है अपनी बेटी को डुबा के मारना चाहती थी. शी हैज़ अ मेंटल कंडीशन एंड वो मेंटल असाइलम में भी रह के आई है. एंड ये सारी चीज़ें सुनने के बाद मिली को मिस्टर विंचेस्टर के लिए बहुत तरस आता है. बट जैसे जैसे आपको लगेगा आपने ये प्लॉट ट्विस्ट फाइंड कर लिया है, बूम, नया प्लॉट ट्विस्ट आता है एंड यू आर बैम्बूजल्ड एंड you keep on like what happened in the story. अभी तो ये था, अभी ये कैसे हो गया. It's that kind of story. When you think you have figured out the story takes a turn and you are like, wow, I have not imagined this. So this story is amazing. This is the story about Millie, Nina and Mr. Winchester and the gardener Enzo as well. So this is a wholesome story. आपको बहुत ही मज़ा आने वाला है जब ये आप पढ़ोगे. आप बैठ नहीं सकते एक पेज पे कि हाँ एक पेज हो गया एंड आई विल रीड दिस नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग और नेक्स्ट डे. यू कैन नॉट जस्ट put the book down. You have to read the whole story, then only you will be able to relax, because in your mind it will be like मुझे और पढ़ना है, क्या हो गया आगे, ये वाली चीज़ें आपके दिमाग में चलती रहेंगी. And story is amazing. I would straight rate it 4.5 on 5. I was able to guess the plot twist, but शायद आप plot twist guess कर भी ले, but ये एक amazing book है और मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया and I would recommend this to everyone. And the end is something that you have never imagined, never. So you need to read till the last page to know the actual story. And this book has two point of view. from Millie's point of view and from Nina Winchester's point of view. And now with this high expectations of The Housemaid, I read the sequel of The Housemaid's Secrets. It is again by Frida McFadden, but this book has not given me those feelings that I got from The Housemaids. It is a good story, plot twists are amazing, but I didn't find it much appealing than the last one. And in this also the protagonist is Millie. So Millie एक ऐसे जगह पे अभी रह रही है जहाँ पे सिर्फ criminals रहते हैं and the place is quite shabby, क्योंकि उसने विंचेस्टर का घर छोड़ दिया है एंड उसके पास बहुत कम अमाउंट है एंड शी इज़ अगेन लुकिंग फॉर द जॉब. सो उसको कॉल आता है मिस्टर डगलस गैरिक का, जो कि अपने घर के लिए मेड खोज रहे हैं एंड मिली वो जॉब ले लेती है एंड शी वेंट टू द डगलस गैरिक्स हाउस. नाउ डगलस गैरिक मिली को हर एक चीज़ बताता है कहाँ पे क्या है एंड वॉट नीड्स टू बी मेड every day, like there is a to-do list kind of thing and what she needs to purchase from the supermarket. So Douglas Garrick is one of the biggest businessman in the country right now, and he has a wife जो कि mostly बीमार रहती है and she stays in a room 24/7 and Douglas has warned मिली टू नॉट टू डिस्टर्ब हर एंड उनको बिल्कुल भी डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना, उनके रूम को खटखटाना नहीं, उनके रूम के पास जाना भी नहीं, ऐसा उनका इंस्ट्रक्शंस था. एंड मिली थॉट दिस इज़ क्वाइट फिशी एंड वाई शी इज़ ऑलवेज इन अ रूम, वाई शी इज़ नॉट coming out of her room for the dinner as well. As the time passes, she then get some noises from Mrs. Garrick's room and she was quite devastated by the look of Mrs. Garrick. Like she was pale and weird, like she already feels like inhuman. She was quite afraid of Mrs. Garrick. उसको उसकी मदद भी करनी थी. So again this follows two narrations, one from Millie and one from Mrs. Garrick. So it is also amazing book. And there is one twist that after joining Douglas Garrick house as maid, someone is following Millie and who wherever she goes, wherever Millie goes to supermarket, to her home or to Garrick's house, that car is following her continuously and she feels threatened at some point of a time. This also has the same plot twist. I was able to guess it. I was able to guess the entire story this time and that's why I was not that interested in the story. It was a good 4 on 5 star read and I would definitely recommend you to read for yourself to judge this one, because some people have rated it 5 on 5, so they might was not able to guess the plot twist, I guess, or they generally loved the story. So this was my take on the story. I totally loved this. I would definitely recommend to read both the parts. The third part of this book has just came out in June. The Housemaid is Watching, and I started listening it on audiobook, but I couldn't grasp it. Like I was not feeling interested in that, so I have not completed it. I have just listened to few chapters of that book. Apart from that, I totally like the first part and the sequel, and I would definitely recommend you to read this once. It is an amazing thriller book by Frida McFadden, again because of her amazing plot twist, and like the character has secrets that you can't even imagine. And yeah, that's it for the review. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो hit that like button. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video as much as you can. And let me know in the comments अगर आपने कोई भी बुक पढ़ी है फ्रीडा मैकफेडन की और आपने हाउसमेट्स पढ़ी है या नहीं, और आपको कैसी लगी, प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट में बताओ. Hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any bookish content from my end, and I'll see you in the next video.